Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to give you a full tutorial of Meistertask so you know at least all basics that you have to know to create projects, create tasks, invite members, so on. So if you want to know how Mastertask works and how you can use it for your own projects and for your own work, then just watch this video. So of course I'm going to start now. Of course you have to log in to Mastertask at first, and what I want you to do is just go to the browser that you are using, type in Mastertask login, click on the website just on the link, and then here you have the option continue with Google or to log in if you already have an account or to sign up. And when you click on sign up, this will appear, and here you have the option to enter your full name, enter your work email address, and use a password. And and here you can also choose to sign up with Google account or to sign up with a Microsoft account. Also click on with other services, and then there will be a list of different services. That's the options that you have to create your Meistertask account. After you created your account and you're on your dashboard, it should look something like this. On the left side, there you have your projects, and here on the right top, there is your account with your account settings, so on and so on. Here are the notifications, the tasks, and your team. So we'll just start right into it. At first, I'm going to show you how to create a project. Very simple process. As you can see here on the left, there is projects, and there is this icon with the plus. And as you can see, when I hover over it, it says new project. Now I'm just going to click on it. I have the option to create different. There's this drop down where I have the option to create different things. For example, a new empty project, Kanban as a project management, go to the market, notes, so on. And click on all of this. But what we want is, of course, to create a new empty project. So we just click on it. So now we have to enter the name of the project. As I already have named the project test project, I will just name it test A. We are working with the project test A. We can also add a description if you want to for some, for example, for some information for our team members. And we can also set it to private, but this is only possible when you have activated the pro version of Meistertask, because you can always use Meistertask for free. But if you have pro, so you pay monthly money to Meistertask, then you can do a bit more. But it is not really necessary. So I would recommend you just use it for free if you're not have like many projects and you need something like this. So, and now we can just click on create project. Perfect. These are the standard the standard project sections with no tasks. So what are sections? Sections are these big things on the top of the project here. As you can see here on the right side, we can just click on add section, name it, for example, paid, because you have a freelancer, you want him to take the task, give it in progress, then he's done, and then you can just drag and drop it to paid. So you need a paid section. You can always take these sections and like give him over here, just change their positions. Exactly. So right at the bottom of the sections, we have the option to create new tasks. As you can see here, when I hover over this plus icon, the add tasks stands there. When we click on it, we just have to name it, to give it a title. I will just name it task test and enter. Now the task is added. You and your team are now possible to take the task and give it in another section, so that you as the project owner always know, and also the other team members, of course, they also know and always know exactly where this task is at the moment, what the status of the task is. So when you click on the task with a double click, this will open. Here you have the option to add checklist items, to add subtasks, and to add attachments. This is really possible if you have like a big task, which one is like building up on some different little tasks. Then you can just click on add subtask, and the thing here is you also need to upgrade to a business Meistertask. But I would also always recommend you to not give big tasks in this. I would also always recommend to give like this little task that you would give in subtasks to, yeah, in under the sections. And you can also add a comment if you really need subtasks. For example, do this and then do this. Then you you also have like, yeah, a subtasks option, but not the real one. So, and here you can like see the history of the task. So when was it created, where was it moved to, and so on, so on. And also, yeah, when the comment was added and which comment. So, yeah, now you can add multiple tasks. You can just drag and drop them every time to the next section and also back. And you also see here that one comment added to the task. You can also, yeah, so now you just think, okay, this task is not necessary anymore because we don't need it. Then of course we want to have the option to delete the task, and as you can see here, when you click on this icon with the 3 dots, this drop down opens and you can just go here and click on delete the task. And now the task is gone. And yeah, and the same thing of course with whole project. Sometimes we don't need a project anymore and we want to delete it. And I'm going to show you how you can do this. It's also very simple. You just click on these 3 dots here, go again on the 3 dots icon here, go to the bottom and delete project. You can also archive the tasks, delete the tasks, but we want to delete the whole project. That's what I'm going to do now. Click on delete. Here's something special about this, because we need to type in delete in caps lock, so the app really knows, okay, you want to delete this whole project, because this could of course otherwise be a big problem if you delete it by an accident. That's not possible with this, yeah, with this code. And now we can just click on delete project. See here, it can be restored from deleted projects for the next 30 days. After that, the project and all related data will be deleted permanently. So we can restore it. I'm going to show you how this works now. It's also a very simple process. Just go here on the bottom where project stands, right to it, there's this icon with the 3 dots. Click on it. We have the option to see the active projects, archive projects, where I have not any project in, and we can see the deleted projects. When we click on delete projects, see all projects that has been deleted in the last 30 days. Because after 30 days, the project will be gone entirely. Now we can just click on restore here. Click on restore. Project is not longer in deleted project, but in active projects. We can just click on it, and it is the same as it was before. Also, all tasks, if you would have any tasks in it, would be exactly same, and nothing would have changed at all. So, but of course you don't want to use it by your own. You want to have a team. You want to have team members, and how can we add them? So when we are in our project, actually you can see here at the right side under add sections, add members. When I click here on invite, you have the option start typing a name, the username, or a whole group, and share the project with them. You can also click here on my team, and this will open, and so your account settings will open, and you can add a new group. You can invite people with their email address. Just type the email address in here and click on invite. You will get invited, and you can see here all the users that you have invited and all your members and groups will sit here. As I'm the only member here, I am visible here. And here you can also remove people from team. Of course, I cannot remove myself from this team, but if there are people you want to remove, just click on these three dots, click on remove from team, and gone. So how can we go to the other account settings? It's very simple. Just click here on our profile, go click on account, and here are all the channel accounts that you use. I have only added the name TechTrail, but you can also give your username, your website. For example, if you use Mastertask for your website, because there are always tasks to do, then you can also enter your website here and the description for you. This is very important if you like add new members, and so they can see what you're on and who you are. Here you can manage your emails. Here you can manage the time and the language, and the services and sessions, terms and policies where you can just read through, and you can also contact the Mastertask Help Center or the MindMaster Help Center. So this is what you can do in the account management. Here, this is what I showed you before, members and groups where you can manage them. You can also go to general settings. You can just do some general stuff, the sign up mode, and you can see your permissions. You can also make plans, but only if you upgrade account. And we have always the option on the right top of the page to click on back to Meistertask, and we will be back to our dashboard. I just have to wait a few seconds, and then we are back in our project, so in our dashboard. Yes, here you can start your free trial. So you have 14 days. 14 days. You have to pay a fee. You can try if you want it. I would just recommend you to try it for those days. Watch if it fits your needs. If you really use it, if it is really helpful for you, then I would recommend you to do it. But I don't really need it. I have never needed it. So I don't think it's necessary at all. So that is actually everything that I have shown you. I just have to think about anything else that is like very important for the beginning to know about Mastertask. Because of course this is not like a pro video. It just shows you the default and how Mastertask works, how you can open projects, add tasks, add sections, how you can delete the project, how you can restore the project. So it is here again. Here is your agenda, and this is not as important as the projects. I would just recommend you to go through them by yourself. If you need help with them, just write in the comments so I can do a new video about them. Here are your reports. It's very similar, but you can always do like these. It will show you by themselves how these work. But yeah, I think this is everything that I can show you for the projects and for like the default things that you have to know for Meistertask. Now you know how you can create your project, how you can add tasks to the project, how you can add sections. You know the default things about the account settings, about the trial, about restoring a project and deleting it. So yeah, and you also know how to add a member, how to add groups. Here you can just add groups, but you also have to use the business the business membership for this, so you have to pay for it. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like on this video, Let me know in the comments if you want to know something else about Meistertask or about any other projects. I have actually done other videos about Mastertask that are shorter, that just show you how a single step works. So you can also watch those videos if you want to know something. So if something is unclear and you have to just like recap it a bit, you can go to those videos. There I show nearly everything that you have seen in this video, just like for each video is like one thing. So one video is, for example, creating a project, one video is adding a task, and so on, so on. So thanks for watching, I hope it's helpful, and we will see us in the next video. Make sure to watch the other videos if you need them, and bye bye.